to show you how to make a strawberry, like this one here. So what you'll need is some red felt and some green felt, obviously matching threads, or as close to of the red. The green, you want it slightly lighter so that you see the veins running through the leaf. You see, and we're also going to want some, again, the DMC, which is quite often used for cross stitching, thread in white, or just normal cotton in white with, you know, quite a few strands all put together, and that's for these little bits here all around the strawberry. Okay, right, so let's get started. I'll show you what we need to do first. It's very simple. It's got half a circle, which we just need one of those, so we're going to cut one of them out. Just put a pin through to hold it in place. And just cut that out. Like so. So that's all we need for our strawberry shape, and we'll cut out the other one so it's ready. This is our little leaf which we're going to put on top. Now this you just have to try and hold in place as you cut it out. And obviously it doesn't have to be perfect, because all leaves on strawberries are all different, and it's got to be natural, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Just cut round that. Nearly done. And the last bit. There. So now we have our leaf at the top. Now first we're going to concentrate on the actual strawberry. So we'll move the leaf out the way for a moment. Put that to one side. Now you need to thread up your needle, put a knot at the end, and all we're going to do is fold our circle in half, and we're going to sew down the straight edge. You can put a pin in if you like to hold it in place, or you can just do like I'm doing and just go ahead with sewing. And just do a normal stitch, not a running stitch, just a normal stitch down that one edge, and then you'll basically have a cone type shape. Like that. And just cast off at the other end. You just do 3 overlap stitches, and on the last one just go through the loop and pull. That's what we've got now. It's like a cone. So just cut off that, move our needle out of the way, You don't need that for a moment. Now I just need to turn this in the other way, so this looks a bit neater that side. The next thing we're going to do is put the little white dots on, like we have on this one. So again, you need to get your needle and thread it up with your cotton and put a knot in the end. Now start anywhere you want inside, and you're just going to do little tiny stitches, so just a little way up from your last bit you just come through, and that'll be your first one. Now how I've done it is I've then done another one a bit further up from that, and again just go through just slightly above. So you've got your first two, then the next one I've come up in between those two. To one side like that. Then the next one I'll do like those two, so be there and there, and just carry on all the way round doing that pattern. So you're doing like a 5 on a dice. Now on the last stitch, one more here in the centre. Like that. And then you can see how I've done 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and so on all the way round. I just need to fasten it off on the opposite side. It's a good idea to fasten it off actually on your seam, because that's not then going to go onto the other side. So just do our 3 stitches through here. Back on myself on the loop, and that's that. Snip that off. Now what we need to do, we need to get our red thread again, knot in the end, needle in the other, and we're just going to do a running stitch all the way around the top part. Like so. There we go. And as you can see, you can then pull it up and you can start seeing the shape coming, but before we do pull it up, we need to add a little bit of stuffing in the centre. So need a little bit of stuffing. You won't need much. Put that inside, like so, and then you can gather up your top, like that, and then hold on to your top part, otherwise that will all come ungathered, and just catch across all the tops with a few stitches. And put it in tight as you go. And the actual strawberry is then finished once you've fastened off, and then we just need to do the leaf. So just fasten off here. Maybe 3 stitches and go through the loop. So that is our actual strawberry. And we'll just cut off the excess like that. Now we'll go and do our leaf that sits on the top here. Right, so here's our leaf shape that we've already cut out. Now we just need to do the veins all over it. So again, we need some cotton and thread. Let's get some cotton and thread it up. Put a knot in the end. Now with felt, it doesn't matter which side you start on, because both sides are as good as each other. So you want to come up through the centre, like that, and then so you got your knot on the opposite side. So that will now be your back. Now all you need to do is just a running stitch down one leaf. Don't pull too tightly, otherwise it will crinkle up. Then do a running stitch back through the gaps. Like so, like that. So then when you pull it back, like that, you've got a line going all the way down. Now you want to do that with each of them. Doesn't matter which way, you can go straight across there first, then over there, then over here, or you can go round that way. Doesn't matter. So we're just going to have to do that now. Go up and down each one. I'll show you again. Do a running stitch like that, just down, and then the same back again. Now this one's a shorter leaf, so you could just basically go up in between these two and down, and then back up in the centre. We've done all the veins down each one, and we just need to fasten off on the back. You just do it on the back anywhere. I'm just going to do it in the centre, like so. Caught on the leaf there. Now we don't cut off the thread, because we're going to use that to affix it to the top of our strawberry. You just want to stick that on top of there. Basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a stitch across the strawberry, and that will pull it down. And then I'm going to do another stitch across the leaf, and then another one across the strawberry. And you just want to keep doing this in different places all the way round till you feel it's firm enough. Then just fasten off anywhere on the back where it's not going to be seen underneath. Once you've done that, you just need to cut your thread as close as you can without snipping the leaf. And that's it. That's your strawberry.